JLG Industries presents the pre-start inspection on the JLG 1030P. In this video, you will learn how to properly perform a pre-start inspection. Before using each day, and at the beginning of each shift, you must conduct a pre-start inspection of your machine. Always refer to Section 2 of your machine's Operation and Safety Manual for the complete pre-start inspection procedure. The pre-start inspection should include each of the following. Check all surfaces for leaks or foreign objects. Inspect the machine structure for dents, damage, weld or parent metal cracks, or other discrepancies. Check decals and placards. Check them for cleanliness and legibility. Make sure none of the decals and placards are missing. The Operation and Safety Manual. Make sure a copy of the Operation and Safety Manual, AEM Safety Manual, and ANSI Manual Responsibilities is enclosed in the weather-resistant manual storage container. Next, using your Operation and Safety Manual, perform a walk-around inspection of your machine. Begin the walk-around inspection at Item 1 and continue around the machine and check each item on the list. Inspection note. On each item, make sure there are no loose or missing parts, that they are securely fastened, no visible damage exists in addition to any other criteria mentioned. Inspect the platform control panel. The lanyard attachment points. Check the rear wheels with auto-locking brakes. Battery. Verify appropriate electrolyte level, no battery corrosion, tight connections, and charging status. Static strap. Make sure there are no loose or missing parts. It is securely fastened and has no visible damage. Inspect the battery isolator. Ensure the bubble level indicator is clean, secure, and responsive to movement. The gate and the gate latch. Ensure the entry gate swings freely and that the latch closes. The swivel caster wheels. Be sure they are properly secured to the chassis. Wheels and casters turn freely, brake locks, and prevent machine from rolling when locked. Inspect the arm stack assembly and the platform. On each item, make sure there are no loose or missing parts. They are securely fastened, no visible damage exists in addition to any other criteria mentioned. Check the emergency stop buttons. Push in to switch off, rotate and pull out to switch on. Inspect the hydraulic system, emergency lowering valve, and battery charger located under the cover. Check the hydraulic oil level in reservoir. Check hydraulic lines for oil leaks. Ensure hydraulic connections are tight and undamaged. Ensure the emergency lowering valve is closed before machine operation. Finally, check the battery charger and the ground control panel. Make sure there are no loose or missing parts. They are securely fastened. No visible damage exists in addition to any other criteria mentioned. Once the walk-around inspection is complete, perform a function check of all systems in an area free of overhead and ground level obstructions. If at any time you discover any damage or discrepancy, remove the machine from service. Report the problem to the proper personnel and do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. To perform a function check, position the machine on a firm and level surface. Ensure all wheels are in contact with the supporting surface. Lock the front caster wheels to prevent the machine from rolling. Next, power up the machine. Ensure the emergency stop button at the ground controls shuts off power when pressed. From the ground controls, raise and lower the platform 2 or 3 feet several times. Check for smooth elevation and lowering of the platform. Test the emergency lowering valve. Elevate the platform several feet so the red knob on the cylinder is accessible. Remove the ground control panel cover, then locate the red emergency lowering valve. Pull and twist the red knob to open the valve. Locate the red knob on the cylinder and press it. The platform will begin to descend. When pressing the red knob on the cylinder, keep body parts clear of the descending structure to avoid crushing or pinching. Once the platform is lowered sufficiently to allow the operator to safely exit, release the knob. Next, we will check controls from the platform control console. Enter the platform. Ensure the platform entry gate closes and latches. Operate the machine from the platform controls. Ensure all platform movement stops immediately when the enable button up and down buttons are released. Ensure the emergency stop button stops all platform movement when pressed. With the aid of an assistant, check the operation of the rear wheel auto locking brake mechanism. Elevate the platform so it is clear of the chassis. As the platform elevates, observe the action of the rear wheel brake. Ensure the wheels fully engage the locking tab weld mounts above the rear wheels when the platform is elevated, and release when the platform is fully lowered. This concludes the pre-start inspection on the JLG 1030P. If you require further clarification on how to conduct a pre-start inspection of your machine, contact our Product Safety and Reliability Department at 1-877-JLG-SAFE, or check us out online at jlg.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.